From the mountains touching scorching skies, to the deserts where the silence lies, rivers flowing, stories untold, land of beauty, brave and bold. Journey through the colors of Pakistan, green and white, our spirit carries on. Every shade, a dream that shines so bright. Together we rise in unity and light. Fields of gold, incense and bakes, Punjab's heart, a warm embrace. Balochistan sand, strong and free. Khyber's gates to history. Journey through the colors of Pakistan, green and white, our spirit carries on. Every shade, a dream that shines so bright. Together we rise in unity and light. Voices of tomorrow, rising from today. Hope and love will always show the way. From Karachi's waves to Hunza's skies, Pakistan